Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed down on Thursday, pressured by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, commercial and professional services, and consumer services sectors. On the economic docket, initial jobless claims rising to 210,000 for the week ended February 15th, continuing claims increasing to 1726 for the week ending February 8th, and the leading index rising 0.8% in the month of January. Meanwhile, after the markets closed, Wells Fargo nearing a $3 billion settlement with U.S. authorities over investigations into a range of consumer mistreatments over the past years. This reported by Bloomberg, citing those familiar with the matter, and T-Mobile and Sprint announcing an amendment to their planned combination by which Deutsche Telekom would hold 43% of the new entity, a higher stake than previously planned. And Deere expected to jump after posting first quarter sales that exceeded expectations. Meanwhile, in terms of expectations today, we still have results from Deere, and on the economic docket after the opening bell, we have market manufacturing PMI, composite PMI, and services PMI for the month of February, and we also have existing home sales figures for the month of January. Taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That's under pressure. The Nasdaq sees the downside prevail, and the Dow Jones sees the downside prevail as well, as short positions below 29,175 are favored, with targets at 28,930 and 28,845 in extension. This as the relative strength index advocates for further decline.